guys, I'm shooting for a Maybelline का this mascara, new bubble mascara अभी market में आया है. And I was going through my laptop and although I remember it's August already, मैं ये भी बताना भूल गई कि मैंने जो अपना vision board बनाया था. Okay, so we are half through 2025. अभी है August 17th today and it's not like 2026 is just 5 and 10 days like away. This is the vision board जो मैंने जनवरी में बनाया था and I really want to say कि मैंने कितना अचीव कर लिया है and कितना अभी मुझे अचीव करना बाकी है. And can you believe one thing that we are already like half through of August. I mean only 135 or 36 days वो मैंने अभी गूगल किया. But you know इतना ही दिन बचे हैं like 2026 में. Like I am so much in shock. I mean what the heck is happening? अब it feels like अभी तो हम आए थे, अभी 2025 में आए थे. When we make vision board, they look like perfect on the board. But life doesn't go according to the board. So today I'm gonna just sharing my progress, what worked for me, what flopped. We are just gonna check in. और इतने पसीने मेरे को क्यों हो रहा है भाई? Like reality check मिलने वाला है इसलिए I think we are gonna do that anyway. Let's start. Okay, so the first goal was to take a trip to mountains. Honestly, ये ट्रिप लेके ना ऋषिकेश वाली मैंने खुद को ही सरप्राइज कर दिया. आई मीन आई नेवर इन माई लाइफ थॉट कि मैं कभी ट्रिप पे जाऊंगी लाइक और वो भी जो मैं सोच के रखती थी कि हाँ मैं जाऊंगी बट आई एक्चुअली डिड एंड इट वॉज सच अ इम्पल्सिव प्लान. इट वॉज अ कोलैबोरेशन टाइप ऑफ क्या बोलूँ. आई एम सो ओवरवेल्म बिकॉज यू नो इट फील्स लाइक इफ यू वॉन्ट समथिंग. ऐसा नहीं है शाहरुख खान बोलता है दैट अगर तुम किसी चीज़ को पूरी शिद्दत से चाहो तो वो तुम्हें मिल जाएगी. आई थिंक दैट I have a picture like I can show you. Okay, इधर नहीं दिखेगा ताकि I think the impulsive decision make it happen. Otherwise ये कभी नहीं हो पाता अगर मैं सोचती इतना तो. Because I was doing a job at that time in March. That's why ये happen हो गया. That was the main peak point जो मुझे motivate किया कि okay bro, you tick off 2 to 3 things already in your vision board. You have got to do another ones. And here comes the another one which I still untouched and I think it is impossible in my subconscious mind, but somehow I managed to motivate myself and say that no, it is manageable, you can do it. Is the losing weight. I know most of you guys are like आधे से तो ज़्यादा like I think 70 या 80% लोगों का यही होता है to gain weight, to lose weight, to go to gym, फलाना ढिमकाना जो भी हो. But mine is bro, I'm telling you, it is from my heart. And बीच में I was doing a weekly plan. तो in the weekly plan देखो reason क्या होता है मेरा weight loss क्यों नहीं होता. मैं एक पीक पे जाऊंगी, एक वीक 2 वीक जाऊंगी, कम होगा लाइक 2 to 3 kg कम होगा. व्हेन आई गोज इनटू माय पीरियड लाइक पीरियड वाला फेज आता है मेरा, आई वाज सो ब्लोटेड एंड वो ब्लोटनेस यू नो वेट के साथ वापस से सेम लेवल पे आ जाती है. सो आई लूज माई मोटिवेशन एंड इट बिकम सो फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग कि मुझे खुद ही ऐसा मन नहीं करता कि करने का. आई फील लाइक कि क्या फ़ायदा करने का जब मैं यू नो आफ्टर 2-3 वीक्स में सेम ही पोजिशन पे आ जा रही हूँ. तो बट आई थिंक इट द हैबिट आई एम गना डू रेस्ट ऑफ द 2025 और इन माई लाइफ बिकॉज आई फील it is not about weight gain or weight lose. It is about my confidence, and to be honest it is shaking my confidence a little bit, my weight. So I have to work harder on this area. And you know what, one thing that keeps me going is like मेरा एक checklist हो like this is the thing I did in my vision board. या 2 हो या नहीं हो या 4 हो 5 हो, doesn't matter because see at the end I am the competition with myself. There is no other competition like with myself. I am the main competition with myself. If I am doing it far better than that. I am so far better than myself. Like I am evolving and all. I am changing. And if I'm not doing it, anyway we are gonna do it because it's my life. ठीक है, नहीं हुआ नहीं हुआ, अगली बार कर लेंगे, कौन सा हम कहीं जा रहे हैं. I mean, जा रहे हैं जाएंगे, but we will figure that out. Okay, फालतू का टेंशन लेके कुछ नहीं होगा. Okay, so the next part is what is my main goal for rest of 130 days or 37 days left. I'm just gonna pick one goal. I'm gonna work on that. Here the craziest part, there is only 137 days left in 2026. Obviously that's not much, but that's enough. Just imagine that one small habit you can do in these days. So I am making a mini checklist for last stretch of this year, and my challenge to you to pick one thing that you want to complete before 2026. And here we comes to the end of this video. See, your dream life isn't build I mean, तुम ऐसा थोड़ी है कि तुम्हारी ड्रीम लाइफ जनवरी में ही बिल्ड होगी तो होगी, ऐसा नहीं है, राइट? बल्कि it is a small habit that you do every day to achieve that particular goal in your life. And for us, like, see, if we count each day, हमारे पास 137 days left है. That's enough, isn't it? Isn't it? Isn't it? अरे बोलो भाई. Yes, it is 130 days. 137 days is more than enough for you to achieve a particular one goal in your life, that most important goal in your life. So are you guys in with me this 137 days left journey? Like, are you guys in or what? Please let me know in the comment section. And that's it for the video. Hope you okay. And that's it for the video. Hope you guys like this video. If you like, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. And yeah, don't forget to write in the comment section what is that one goal, and you will find mine in the comment section as well. Bye.